Hello everyone, I'm Madhavi Avte, practicing as a functional nutritionist. I also work as a lactation counselor, fertility expert, and baby sleep expert. So today we are going to talk about a new concept, functional nutrition. Many people ask me, what is functional nutrition? So functional nutrition is something which work at a cellular level and which is the most effective approach to treat a variety of diseases like thyroid, PCOS, metabolic syndrome like diabetes, obesity, blood pressure, or for that matter cancer. So in case of functional nutrition, we consider four areas of interventions to support or help people to bring back their body balance or to reverse any kind of disease or conditions. So these four areas of interventions are therapeutic food, therapeutic diet, therapeutic lifestyle recommendations, and therapeutic supplementation. So with the help of functional nutrition, we can recognize that there can be one cause with multiple symptoms or there can be one symptom with multiple causes. For example, let's say we have a set of 10 people with dairy sensitivity. So for one person, there might be a symptom of digestive upset. For another person, there might be some excess mucus. For another person, it might be because of the skin eruption, or for some another person, it might be just some neurological issues. So this is a classic example of one cause with multiple symptoms. On the other hand, we have one symptom and multiple causes. For example, again, we have a set of 10 people who are experiencing headache. So for one person, the cause must be because of the food sensitivity. For another person, the cause must be some kind of deficiency like vitamin or mineral deficiency. For one person, it might be triggered because of the bright lights, or for some other person, it might be simply because of the muscle tension. So, when we practice as a functional nutritionist, we consider all these root causes and which can be done with the help of different lab tests like urine test, stool test, then blood test like kidney panel, thyroid panel, liver panel, etc., etc., and we do the blood work analysis. So, functional nutrition is different from conventional nutrition because over here we try to eliminate all the root causes for that particular disease or that particular condition. We try to correct micronutrient deficiencies and we use these four areas of interventions to bring back body balance or to reverse any kind of disease or condition. Thank you.